morning, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. And it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. We've been driving since 3 a.m. If you've been following along with the channel for a little while, then you'll know that I kind of come from a Corvette family. My father still has his '84 Vette that he's owned since he was a kid. 2 years ago, he picked up a 2006 C6 Convertible, a beautiful, beautiful car. And as of last November, I purchased a 2001 C5 Corvette. Now, my brother, he feels like he's missing out. So today I join him and my dad as we drive down from New Hampshire to Maryland to pick up a very, very special C6 Corvette. You definitely are not going to want to miss seeing what this thing looks like.
A few moments later.
Experience. You gotta have.
guys, so after a very long 14-hour day worth of driving, the new C6 is finally back in the garage. Besides what felt like a tire at a balance, the C6 drove very, very smooth. It sounds amazing. It sounds absolutely amazing from the cabin. It's not droney, but it is very, very loud. And the looks, you absolutely cannot beat the look of a wide-body C6, especially this one. It's so well done. The thing is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to share more about this C6 on the channel in the coming weeks, so be sure now to subscribe if you haven't already, because there's going to be lots of stuff coming with this C6 Corvette, in addition to more content with my C5 Corvette. So as always, thank you so much for watching, but that's it for today's adventure. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy motoring.